Hey guys, I got some firework from last year. Like to test it in the bottle. Get on cheap little high charge ground bloom flower. I don't know, M60, and this one is Weasel Racket, but I'm planning to dip it like this, leather in, and we'll see what's going to happen. And of course, we're going to start with the cheapest one, smallest one. Okay, there you go. Ooh, what an effect. Nice. Wow. Okay, I will put in an extra more water. Alright, water's here. I'm thinking go a little bit further because this thing is going to be more room, I think. Okay, let's do a little step further. Alright, M60. Oops. Well, my mistake. Well, but this thing was kinda nothing. Oh, there's another one. Come closer. Oh, M60? No, that was M60. Bloom flower right now. It's the biggest one. Oh. Alright then, actually there was dirt evil. Well, wow. Okay, it's the Whistling Racket. Wow. Ooh, smoky. Well, actually I think that high charge, the smallest one, was the for loud coolers with the water. These ones. Ooh. Wow, wow. Let's cut it open. It is strong. Wow. Well, next bottle, something else. Well, thanks. This thing is for this video. That's all what it is. And I will find something else and eye-opening better. See you in the next one.